8 piece lang.
Daddy, what do you want to
Pay.
532 po. I received 1,000.
Smile. Smile, Ate Claire. Look at Daddy, look at Daddy. Wow, you're so good. You want to work here? Are you enjoying?
Yeah.
Okay.
For a while,
Daddy,
Yeah.
why?
Do you like your job, Claire?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like making burgers because I made burgers yesterday
Oh, you
and
make burgers
made it
yesterday?
rolling off the street. I think I made them
Okay, so Claire. Uh,
460.
okay, salamat.
Thank you po. Next door na lang.
Okay.
Starbucks.
Okay, salamat.